So guys, I'm going to show you how to change the name of an input for Vizio TV. So this is pretty simple. First, just press the gear icon or menu. So you may have an option here, but if you don't, what are you going to do? So what you want to do next is you're going to press an input. So go and change to whichever input you want to change. Just for example, my Google TV. Go select it. So once you're on the input, what you're going to do is you're going to press the gear icon or menu. Press on all settings or system. Press on system. So you should see the option for input name. So from here you can either press to the right for some presets, or you can also customize the name whenever you want. Press OK when you're done. So now when you press input, it should show up. Okay guys, thanks for watching.